Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got in this gorgeous 8.5 by 20 insulated windows trailer. This one is set up with the optimal towing package with that spread torsion axle as well. These are two 6,000 pound spread torsion axles, so you've got a heavy duty 8-lug tire on a 16-inch tire and wheel. It does have the aluminum wheels. This one is in the awesome matte gray. This is a thicker skin aluminum, and it's going to give you guys a nice thick skin that's not going to wrinkle as much as some of the other skins that you guys see out there. Heavy duty extended 6-inch frame and tongue. This is to give you guys a good turning radius because it takes this trailer and pushes it away farther from your vehicle so you can turn sharper and tighter. You do have the beautiful diamond plate corners, diamond plate bottom, and that rounded upper cap as well, all in that Blackout package. Side door does have the RV lock and cam bar on it, so you've got double lock protection there as well. Two LED party lights off the side here. That box that you guys can see right there is an exterior GFI outlet, so you do have an outlet on the outside so you can plug some stuff in. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back to give you that extra stability when you're loading and unloading. This is a dragster model as well, so set up for cars if needed. Rear ramp door does have the spring assist close on it. You also have that transition flap extension right there, so that's to help with the angle and brake coming in and out of this trailer. And then it does have the dovetail. You guys can see the back of that floor drops down again to give you an easy angle and brake when you're coming in with lower profile vehicles, so you don't rub the bottom of your vehicle on the trailer. Black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb. We also have an LED, two of them, one's just folded down, party light, load light there off of the back. And then this unit is set up awesome because you do have a big awning slash escape door. So that door folds up like an awning will, so you can pull your car in and open up your car door through there. But I left it down so you guys can see when it is down. We put a window in it as well, so you've got that dual use, and you've got two windows across from each other for some nice ventilation purposes. Insulated walls and ceiling. You do have a 7-foot interior height in here. It's going to give you 6'9" at your rear ramp door, so plenty tall for most of those RZRs and UTVs out there. And then we do have the beautiful aluminum wall and ceiling liner. I love the aluminum. It's really nice. It's easy to take care of and keep clean. You can just basically spray it down and wipe it down. Performance Nudo floor with Maxx. This is an amazing floor. It's extremely durable. Underneath this floor is a product called Maxx, which is a water-resistant product, so this isn't going to warp and shrink on you like a standard wood floor will. 6 D-rings as well, so lots of tie-down points. 2 overhead Maxx Air roof vents. You guys can see there's one here at the back, another one up there at front, so you can vent your trailer out right away. And then let's talk about lighting and setup with this unit. This is a great setup because you do have the battery right here with a battery box and a battery charger right there. That's going to run all the exterior lights for you, so those party lights off the side, the spotlights off the back, and it's going to run all these nice puck lights in here, and it looks like there's 6 of these guys in here as well. So you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle or some kind of power to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. Then you've also got your 30 amp cord right here. You guys can take this cord, you pop it right through the floor, plug into a generator, plug into an extension cord, a campground, however you're going to bring power into the trailer, and that in turn is going to power up your outlets. You've got 4 right here in the front, plus that exterior GFI outlet there off the side. It's also going to turn on your AC unit with a heat strip, so you guys can see you do have the ability to heat and cool with this unit. It is a slimline Mach 8. We use the low profile units as well so they don't stick up really big and tall on top of the trailer. And then you've also got 4 4-foot LEDs. I love how we do these tucked up in the corner like this. It really gives you great light in the trailer, and it makes it nice and clean in here as well. So tons of lighting in here. You guys won't have lighting issues whatsoever. You're going to have a ton of light in here with this unit. So here it is, beautiful multi-use unit set up so you guys can camp in here, haul in here, be comfortable at the racetrack, be comfortable out in the dirt playing, and get more use out of your cargo trailer. So give us a call. We'd love to earn you guys' business. We ship all over the country, so give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote, and we also have a buy it now feature. We make it super simple for our customers. You guys can go right online and purchase this unit online right away and send us an email, and we can get you a shipping quote and get the trailer delivered right to your door. So simple and easy. That's the way we like it. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com.